Typar building wrap, made of rugged materials, engineered for superior defense from the elements, and like any high-performance building component, at its absolute best when it's done right. Let's go through the simple steps to ensure a truly professional installation. Before getting started, make sure you've got the correct gear and mindset for safety. And since proper installation and warranty coverage go hand in hand, you've got to grab the required tools. The must-haves are a hammer and plastic-capped nails or staple gun with plastic-capped staples, plus a sharp utility knife, roller, and flashing tool. Begin installing the first course at the bottom inside or outside corner of one end wall with the printed side facing out. On corners, be sure to leave an overlap of at least 12 inches. Place the house wrap roll horizontally and roll the first course out evenly, covering all window and door openings. An overlap of at least 1 inch is required on the sill plate. Pull the house wrap tight, avoiding any wrinkles. Fasten Typar building wrap to the exterior sheathing using a hammer and plastic-capped nails, or plastic-capped staples will work. Thanks to the strength of Typar building wrap plus capped fasteners, it can be fastened 32 inches on center, both horizontally and vertically. This produces fewer penetrations than you get with the competition, and you'll see our wrap is conveniently marked to ensure accurate spacing. On your second course, be sure to overlap the bottom layer by a minimum of 6 inches both vertically and horizontally. Fasteners should be away from the edge of the overlap seams to allow for installation of the Typar construction tape. Make sure that proper shingling is used throughout the installation in order to shed water. Once the structure is completely covered, tape all seams with Typar construction tape. After checking that all the seams are clean and dry, install the tape. Leave a 2-inch overlap over the end of the tape that was previously installed, and make sure the tape is centered along the seam. Then remove any wrinkles by pressing the tape firmly to the wrap. You can also use a hand roller. Now that you have installed the wrap, you will need to cut the window and door openings. Using a utility knife, cut a horizontal line across the top of the window opening. Make sure your cut does not extend past the rough opening. Start the next cut at the top center of the opening, making a vertical cut that runs 2/3 of the way down the opening. From the end of your vertical cut, make 2 diagonal cuts, one to the lower right corner of the opening and one to the lower left corner. Pull each of the flaps tightly into the rough opening and attach them to the frame with nails, staples, or tape. Now it's time for the final cuts. At the window header, make a 6-inch diagonal cut at a 45-degree angle on one corner. Then repeat the process on the other corner. Lift the material to expose the sheathing and tape up above the window opening. To install the windowsill pan, cut a piece of Typar flexible flashing that is 12 inches longer than the width of the opening of the windowsill. After centering the flexible flashing in the opening, work your way toward the corners and up the sides, followed by applying pressure to the flashing using a roller or flashing panel tool for proper adhesion. Stretch the flashing into the corners. The flexible flashing should overlap the outside of the wall by 2 to 3 inches. Cut 2 pieces of Typar flashing that are long enough to extend 1 inch above the window head flange and 1 inch below the windowsill flange. Apply the flashing on both sides of the window. Make sure to cover the entire flange, pressing firmly by hand. Again, following up with a roller or flashing panel tool for full adhesion. Cut another piece of Typar flashing for the head flashing so that it's long enough to extend 1 inch on both sides of the jamb flashing. Then, install the head flashing. Pressing firmly by hand, make sure the entire window flanges are covered. Take the Typar building wrap that you had previously taped up along the head of the window and flip it down. Tape the 45-degree cuts using Typar construction tape or Typar flashing. Do not tape the Typar building wrap along the top of the window flange. Wall penetrations from plumbing, electrical, HVAC, and venting should be dealt with properly to prevent water and air infiltration. Typar offers a variety of flashing panels to make this job easier. Durable, breathable, and easy to install, it's the overall performance of the Typar weather protection system that sets it apart, along with its protection for you. When used all together, Typar wraps, flashing, and tapes deliver the industry's only lifetime limited warranty coverage. That's why we say, you put it up, we'll back it up. Typar.